A very warm welcome to you all to the GMIS Digital Series. Well, for years, the manufacturing sector has been adapting to 4IR and emerging technologies. Throw in a global pandemic, and we're now seeing a significant shift to a new era of digital restoration.
When you talk about restoration, you're talking about connectivity. It's a fundamental human right to be connected to the internet for everyone as well, part of the United Nations. 46% of approximately the global population that have no internet connection.
Thanks to digital tools, we had the possibility to work in the same way, but even in a more productive way. This was a big lesson learned.
Data security has become more increasingly important today, critical actually, in fact, because when you think about 175 trillion data gigabytes in the world today, 20 billion mobile applications in the world today. Think about the amount of data that's being transformed every single day. How do you support that? How do you pull the proper insights? How does the company move forward?
I think that data-driven decision and the possibility to understand what is happening in your company in real time is a big advantage.
You have to gather more insights using AI, machine learning, deep learning, so you can have better insights so you can prepare yourself for the future. Infrastructure is key, but to do infrastructure, you need economics. So how do we build infrastructure? Well, that's by investment. That's where governments and other subsidiaries come in and actually look at what can we do? How can we invest into this for the future, for the different lower economies? I think the pandemic has made us more open our eyes more and being more empathy in relation to how we come together as humanity.